Imagine a world where manufacturing is so advanced that it requires no human touch at all. This is not just a dream. It's becoming a reality thanks to Amazon Devices services, which has made significant strides toward achieving zero-touch manufacturing by leveraging NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI and digital twin technologies. This month, Amazon Devices has rolled out an innovative software solution that utilizes NVIDIA's digital twin technology to revolutionize the manufacturing process. By adopting a simulation-first approach, the company is training robotic arms to conduct thorough inspections of various devices for quality assurance and to seamlessly integrate new products into the production line. Remarkably, this is all accomplished using synthetic data, which means no physical alterations to the hardware are necessary. The brilliance of this new technology lies in its ability to merge software developed by Amazon Devices with NVIDIA-powered digital twins that simulate assembly line processes. This modular, AI-driven workflow not only accelerates inspections, but also enhances efficiency compared to the traditional audit machinery that was previously in use. By employing digital twins to simulate both processes and products, manufacturers can avoid the costly and time-consuming need for physical prototypes. This advancement streamlines workflows and significantly shortens the time it takes to deliver new products to consumers. To facilitate zero-touch manufacturing for robotic operations, the solution generates photorealistic, physics-based representations of Amazon Devices and factory workstations, which in turn creates synthetic data. This factory-specific data is crucial for improving the performance of AI models, both in simulations and in real-world applications, effectively bridging the gap between virtual testing and actual deployment. This marks a monumental leap toward generalized manufacturing, where automated systems and technologies can flexibly manage a diverse array of products and production processes, all without the necessity of physical prototypes. AI and digital twins, enhancing robot intelligence. Through the training of robots within digital twins, Amazon Devices Services is poised to develop faster, more adaptable, and easily manageable manufacturing pipelines. This means that production lines can switch from auditing one type of product to another simply by updating the software. Robotic actions can be programmed to manufacture products based solely on the training conducted in simulations, covering all aspects from assembly to testing, packaging, and auditing. The suite of NVIDIA Isaac technologies empowers Amazon Computer Services to adopt this physically accurate, simulation-first methodology. When a new device is introduced, the company inputs its computer-aided design (CAD) model into NVIDIA Isaac Sim, an open-source robotics simulation application built on the NVIDIA Omniverse platform. Using NVIDIA Isaac, the team generates over 50,000 diverse synthetic images from each CAD model, which are essential for training models that detect objects and defects. Following this, Isaac Sim processes the data and utilizes NVIDIA Isaac ROS to create robotic arm trajectories for handling the products. The development of this groundbreaking technology has been significantly expedited by AWS, which has facilitated distributed AI model training on Amazon Devices specifications using Amazon EC2 G6 instances through AWS Batch. Additionally, NVIDIA Isaac Sim's physics-based simulation and synthetic data generation have been optimized on Amazon EC2 G6 family instances. To enhance the planning of high-level tasks and specific audit test cases at the factory, the solution employs Amazon Bedrock, a service designed for building generative AI applications and agents. Amazon Bedrock Agent Core will autonomously plan workflows across multiple factory stations on the production line, capable of processing various product specification inputs, including 3D designs and surface properties. To ensure that robots can effectively navigate their environment, the solution incorporates NVIDIA C-Motion, a CUDA-accelerated motion planning library that generates collision-free trajectories in mere seconds on the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin module. The NV Blocks library, part of Isaac ROS, creates distance fields that C-Motion utilizes for safe trajectory planning. Foundation pose, an NVIDIA foundation model trained on 5 million synthetic images for pose estimation and object tracking, plays a vital role in ensuring that the robots accurately understand the position and orientation of the devices they are handling. This capability is crucial for the new manufacturing solution, as foundation pose can adapt to entirely new objects without prior exposure, allowing for smooth transitions between different products without the need to gather new data for retraining. As part of the product auditing process, this innovative approach is employed for defect detection on the manufacturing line. Its modular design also paves the way for future integration of advanced reasoning models, such as NVIDIA Cosmos Reason. Curious about how these technological advancements are shaping the future of manufacturing? Watch the NVIDIA Research Special Address at SIGGRAPH and discover how innovations in graphics and simulation are driving the digital transformation of industries. Join NVIDIA at the conference, which runs through Thursday, August 14th.